YouTubers, what's up? It's Cam Girl. Today's video is going to be pretty short and sweet. I just want to show you guys how to game or DJ off one computer and then stream on your second computer. Quick note for the people that are already fans of my channel. This is going to be a little different than my usual videos because I just want to make a quick summary video of how to stream how I stream, because basically people ask me like every day or every week how I stream. So if this isn't what you're interested in, don't worry. I will have a new video dropping this week. Love you guys. This is gonna be ideal for someone who DJs or games off a MacBook because most MacBooks are not powerful enough to handle streaming and gaming or DJing all at once. When I was first setting this up, I wasn't able to find a YouTube video that explained how to do it from top to bottom. So it took me like 3 to 4 hours of testing and trying different things out. And I don't want you guys to have to go through that. So I'm going to lay things out as simple, fast, and easy as possible. All I ask for in return is that you give this video a thumbs up before we move on. Keep in mind, I'm going to keep saying DJing, but everything applies to if you're going to be using the first computer to game as well. Without further ado, these are the things you're going to need to stream with 2 computers. Number 1 is your DJ or gaming computer. Mine is a MacBook Pro. 2 is your streaming computer. Mine is a Windows Tower that my friend built for me. Number 3, you're gonna need 2 LAN cables. LAN, I'm not sure. But you're gonna have one that connects to your DJ computer and then one that connects to your streaming computer, and then both of the other ends are gonna connect to your router. Make sure it's connected to the same router. All right, so we're gonna start with your DJ computer. Click the obsproject.com link in my description, and it's gonna take you to this page. Then you're gonna click go to download. It's gonna take you to this GitHub link, and you're gonna download Mac OS package if you're gonna be using a Mac computer, and then Windows installer if you're using a Windows. And once you download everything, you're gonna reboot your DJ or gaming computer. Okay, now let's move on to your streaming computer. So same thing, you're gonna click that OBS project link in my description, click go to download. It's gonna take you to this page, and you're gonna click Windows installer if you're using a Windows to stream. And once everything is downloaded, you're gonna reboot this computer as well. Okay, now that you've rebooted both of your computers, I will show you what to do next. Back to your DJ computer. At the time when I set this up, Streamlabs OBS wasn't available on Mac yet, so I am using OBS on my MacBook, but I believe if you're using a MacBook that Streamlabs OBS is now available on Mac. But pretty much it's gonna be the same directions. So here's OBS. I hate how this looks. It looks like Inception. It freaks me out. On here, you're gonna go to Tools, NDI Output Settings. And right here, you're gonna have this checked, Main Output. And you can name this whatever you want. I just named it DJ Computer because it's easy. Click OK. You should be ready and set to go on this DJ computer. Now, moving back to the streaming computer, you're gonna pull up Streamlabs as well. And you're gonna click Add New Source. And you're gonna see NDI source available right here. Before you added the OBS project NDI source, you wouldn't be able to see NDI source right here. It would just be audio capture, scene, and that would be it. So now you should be able to see NDI source. Click that, add the source. Let's just add it for now. I'm gonna move it down here. And what you're gonna do next is click Open Source Properties. And right here, this should show my DJ computer, my MacBook Pro. So I would select that, click done. The problem is that when I first set all of this up, once I got to this point, the source name, this DJ computer wasn't available. It said like, this list is empty. So after a lot of research, I found the fix. And it is gonna get a tiny bit complicated, so please bear with me. So basically what you have to do is on your streaming computer, you're gonna click Windows, Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Click the app, click Inbound Rules. You're gonna click New Rule. I'll bring it over here. Have a program checked, click Next. This program path. So if the program you're using to stream on your Windows streaming computer is Streamlabs, which is what I'm using, you're gonna find the Streamlabs application on your PC. So I have this checked. It's gonna look like this, Streamlabs OBS, programs.exe. Click open. Then you're gonna click next. Allow the connection. Have all these checked. Click next. And then for name, I would just name it Streamlabs. And I don't know if you have to put a description here, but I just did as well. I just put the same thing, Streamlabs. And then you would click finish, but I'm gonna click cancel because I already have a rule set for Streamlabs. So once your rule is set, you're gonna click on Streamlabs. Make sure that right here it says allow the connection. You're gonna click on the advanced tab on the top. Make sure everything is checked right here. And this is where you need to pay attention. Right here, it's gonna say block edge traversal. But what you need to change it to is allow edge traversal. So basically, edge traversal allows the computer to accept unsolicited inbound packets that have passed through an edge device, such as a network address translation router or firewall. So I'm not a techie and I don't really know what the fuck this means, but basically it's that it's allowing information to come through your router onto this computer, which is basically exactly what you're trying to do. You're trying to get your audio and everything that's coming from your DJ or gaming computer onto Streamlabs on this computer. Basically, it's gonna be fine, even though that sounds unsafe. It's gonna be okay because you're only allowing this for this one application, not your whole computer. So you're gonna be fine. You're gonna click apply and then okay. So now you should be good. And when you pull Streamlabs back up, you will be able to see the source. Easy, right? Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you were able to learn how to DJ off one computer while streaming off a second one. If you have any further questions about streaming, leave a comment below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you want any more Twitch/streaming tutorial content. Also, make sure to tune into my Twitch at twitch.tv/camgirl. It's gonna be linked below. I do DJ streams every Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday night at 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'll see you there. Love you. Subscribe, like, comment, all the stuff. And I'll see you soon.